Hello everyone, welcome to Hill Studios back again, and in this series I'm going to tell you how to light your scene within 5 minutes. So let's get started. So do you guys need my face in or not? I don't get it, man. Really, I like videos when people have their face on so that I can like trusting them kind of stuff. So okay, I'm going to cover it completely. So let me know in the comment section. So if I press D, pitch black, some exceptions of built-in light, so don't need to worry about that. So okay, let us light this scene. So click on directional light, you will get the first one. Just drag and drop this one, and I'm going to include some list. Just drag and drop those stuff, don't even ask why. Go to Skylight, do the same thing as well, and go to the Skylight and change it to mobile, and go to the directional light and change it to mobile as well, and again go to the Skylight and source type to SLS specified cube map and choose one cube map. I'm going to choose this desired stuff. Okay, and go to the, and let us try to adjust these things, and then afterwards I'm going to add some other stuff. Okay, so here you can see like you're going to get black stuff over here because there is no light. So what you guys need to do is like you just need to turn the skylight so that the light falls to this wall, so that it just comes from, you know, like from black to white. So let me try to rotate it. This is not working. Nope, not working. It is not working as well. Why it is not working? Okay, let's go to directional light then. Let me change this thing. Okay, this is kind of working. Yep. Okay, now I changed this thing. So I think you guys want to know, like, the skylight also plays an important role. It is not like it doesn't play at all. If I remove the skylight, wait, skylight is not affecting at all, which is kind of thing which is I'm not able to expect it at all. Let us look at skylight, and it is not affecting at all, which is kind of not cool. So I'm going to increase the intensity scale. Okay, it is affecting, but it is very minute, you know, like, yeah. So I'm going to increase it to 2 and go to the directional light, and I'm going to change the directional light intensity to manage it. Okay, fine, let us keep it 10 and go to skylight again, and go to the skylight and change it to 1. Okay, fine, we now adjusted with this thing, and now let me check it out. It looks kind of nice, guys. I think it looks kind of nice, and here you can have ocean here, and you can see some of our objects. It looks kind of over, but we're going to fix that stuff. So now go to your BB sky sphere. We just add sky, and go to its directional character, and go to its self direction light. Okay, and add sky atmosphere as well, and we already added skylight. Fine. So go to post process, sky atmosphere, skylight, sky sphere. Okay, click on refresh material just to make sure it is up to date. Now go to your post process volume that you just imported and click on this details and infinite, and infinite extend beyond. It's like it is extended to infinite regions, and then go to brightness and change the min and max brightness to 1 and 1. Got it? And it is just maintaining an auto exposure. Got it, guys? So now let me try to jump right here so that we can just see how it looks like. So I'm going to change the scalability to high so that we can just see without any exceptions. So we'll click on play and let us see how it works. So okay, it looks kind of okay, but I think, yeah, it looks kind of okay. I cannot say like it is looking perfectly well. Okay, now let me try to adjust this settings so that it looks kind of okay as well. So I think it is overly glowing. So what I'll do is I'll try to go to our direction light, which is our main influence, and I'm trying to decrease the brightness to somewhere between like 8, maybe 8. 8 will do the trick. Nope, 5. Yep, and I'm going to make it 1. See how it works. Okay, so I think 5. I think, yeah, 5 will do the trick. And this wait, So let us, oh shit, mosquitoes are way too much here. So let us look at our skylight, sky atmosphere, and VB sky sphere, and skylight, and change the intensity to somewhere between. Okay, the skylight is influencing this. I'm going to check it 0.5, not 0.5, 0.4. Okay, now it looks kind of okay. Now it looks perfectly fine, guys. I'm going to change the scalability again to low, and I'm going to decrease my frame rate to 20 so that it doesn't work, it doesn't lag my system. So I'm going to build the levels, guys. I'm going to show you how it looks after I building the level. Okay guys, just a quick update. So if you want to build lighting, so make sure everything is static. So click on your skylight, sky atmosphere, and sky sphere. Okay, sky sphere I think doesn't have it. So change your sky atmosphere to static, skylight to static as well, and go to your directional light and change that one to static as well. Right, go to your directional light and change that one to static as well so that it doesn't compute at runtime. And do I need to change anything at all? Like skylight, I think it's also fixed. So skylight is also fixed, and let's look at post process volume. If it doesn't, if it have, no. Okay, now what you have to do is just build these lightings again, guys, and I'll meet you once it completed building the lights. Okay guys, I completed building lights, and here is the final result. You can just change your parameters based on your game, and now I have to give you some pointers. Really, you can see some of the areas which is black. It is not fault on the lighting, actually it is fault on the mesh. What I did is I combined all of the static meshes and I never merged them. I converted them into static mesh which affected their UVs. So that's one of the reason why it's completely black sometimes and it is completely white sometimes. So not a problem at all. It worked really perfect. It worked really great, and I think it built completely great. Wait, what happened to my cursor? Okay, I'm going to show you by playing this thing so that you guys can see how it looks in game. So wait, let me just change this thing up. So yeah, so you can just see it is one of my game that I'm working on. It is a multiplayer, deploying it to Amazon next week. Pretty much excited for that one as well. So this is the lighting, guys, and it is looking perfectly awesome. And there are some, it's like some materials will never work because some materials are taking the direction of light and then calculating the translucency and the transparency based on that. And you can see some of these materials are all like kind of black completely because it is fault by merging them. If you have an individual actors, you can place them. The lighting will work fine, guys, because I merged all of the static actors into one static actor, so that's it affected the UVs. That is why some of them are black, but mostly it is pretty good. You can see most of the stuff is pretty good. Wait, I'm going to increase the quality so you can just see. I then go to the graphics, go to HDR, and wait, I'm going to increase this thing. Go to the extreme and click on save so that you can apply all of these settings. Now you can see this is the actual quality, guys. Right, let me play it once again. Do I need to play it? I don't know. Maybe this everything will be okay, guys. I think you already know what we have to do in order to get a good lighting, basic lighting stuff. So thank you for watching the video, and make sure you subscribe so that you can get some of these tutorials as well. And you can also follow me on my social media, and if you're a game developer, you want to join my team, you can find my contact details below. Thank you.